Dialogue 1. Repairing cars. Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you too.
What brings you here today?
My car broke down yesterday.
Oh no! What happened to it?
It stopped working while driving.
That's really inconvenient. What now?
I need to repair it quickly.
You should visit a service center.
What is a service center?
It's a place for car repairs.
Can they fix all car problems?
Yes, they fix many car issues.
What kinds of problems do they fix?
They fix engines, brakes, and more.
Can they fix a broken tire?
Yes, they change and repair tires.
Do they fix electrical car issues?
Yes, they repair car electrical problems.
How do I find a service center?
You can search online for one.
How long does a repair take?
It depends on the problem type.
Can I wait while they repair it?
Some centers have waiting rooms.
How much does a repair cost?
The cost depends on the repair.
Can I get a price estimate first?
Yes, many centers offer free estimates.
How do I know if it's safe?
You can check online reviews first.
What if my car needs new parts?
The service center will provide parts.
Are the parts always new?
Yes, they use new parts generally.
Can I bring my own parts?
Some centers allow you to bring parts.
Do I need an appointment for repairs?
It's better to book an appointment.
Can I call to book an appointment?
Yes, calling is a good option.
What time do service centers open?
Most centers open at 8 a.m.
Do they close early in the evening?
Most centers close at 6 p.m.
Are they open on weekends too?
Yes, many centers open on weekends.
What if my car needs towing?
Some service centers offer towing services.
Do they provide roadside assistance too?
Yes, they can help you anytime.
What should I do if it breaks down?
Call the service center for help.
How much does towing cost?
Towing prices vary by distance.
How can I pay for repairs?
Most centers accept cash or cards.
Can I pay in installments?
Some centers allow payment plans.
Do they offer warranties on repairs?
Yes, most centers offer repair warranties.
How long is the warranty valid?
Warranties usually last for months.
Can I get a rental car?
Some centers provide rental cars.
How do I get a rental?
Ask the service center for details.
What happens if the repair takes longer?
They will notify you about delays.
Can I track my car's repair status?
Yes, some centers have tracking apps.
How do I know if it's fixed?
You can test drive after repairs.
Can I call to check progress?
Yes, calling is a good option.
What if I'm not happy with repairs?
You can discuss it with the manager.
Are the workers trained for repairs?
Yes, they are well-trained professionals.
Do they repair foreign cars too?
Yes, they repair all car types.
Can they fix vintage cars?
Yes, they can repair classic cars.
Do they use special tools?
Yes, they use advanced tools for repairs.
Are the repairs guaranteed to last?
Most repairs are long-lasting and reliable.
Can I get advice before repairs?
Yes, they offer advice before starting.
What happens if my car is totaled?
They can assist with insurance claims.
Can I sell my car there?
Some centers buy used cars.
Should I keep receipts for repairs?
Yes, always keep receipts for records.
What should I do after repairs?
Drive safely and check car often.
Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome. I hope it's fixed.
Dialogue 2. Traffic accident.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What happened to your car?
I was in a traffic accident.
Oh no! How did it happen?
A car hit me from behind.
Was anyone injured in the accident?
Thankfully, no one was injured.
That's good to hear. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, just a little shaken.
What did you do after it happened?
I called the police right away.
Did the police arrive quickly?
Yes, they were there within minutes.
Did they ask for any details?
Yes, I gave them the information.
Were you able to exchange insurance info?
Yes, I exchanged details with the driver.
Did the other driver apologize to you?
Yes, he was very sorry about it.
Did the police give you a report?
Yes, they gave me a report.
What happens after you get the report?
I will file an insurance claim.
Do you think the other driver is at fault?
Yes, he was not paying attention.
Did your car get damaged badly?
Yes, the rear bumper was damaged.
Will your insurance cover the damage?
Yes, my insurance will cover it.
How long will the repair take?
It will take about a week.
Will they provide you a rental car?
Yes, they will give me one.
Was there much traffic at the time?
No, it was not too busy.
Where did the accident happen exactly?
It happened on Main Street.
Was it near any traffic lights?
Yes, it was near a red light.
Did you have the green light?
Yes, I had the green light.
Did the other driver run the red light?
Yes, he ran the red light.
Was the accident serious or minor?
It was a minor accident, thankfully.
Did you have any passengers with you?
Yes, I had my friend with me.
Was your friend okay after the accident?
Yes, my friend was not injured.
Did the police take photos of the scene?
Yes, they took photos for evidence.
Did they write a ticket for the driver?
Yes, they gave him a ticket.
How are you feeling about the accident?
I feel a bit nervous still.
It's normal to feel that way.
I'm glad no one got hurt.
That's the most important thing, really.
How do I file an insurance claim?
You need to contact your insurer.
Should I report the accident immediately?
Yes, you should report it right away.
Do I need to provide photos?
Yes, photos will help your claim.
What if the other driver doesn't have insurance?
Your own insurance can cover it.
Will I have to pay a deductible?
Yes, you may need to pay one.
How do I know if I'm covered?
Check your insurance policy for details.
Can I get a lawyer for this?
Yes, you can get legal advice.
How much will the lawyer cost?
It depends on the lawyer's fees.
Should I report the accident to my employer?
Yes, especially if it affects your work.
What if the other driver blames me?
Stick to the facts and evidence.
Will the police determine who is at fault?
Yes, they will investigate the accident.
How long will the investigation take?
It may take a few days.
Should I contact the other driver's insurance?
Yes, you should exchange insurance information.
What happens after the repair is done?
You'll pay your deductible, then drive.
Can I get a refund for the deductible?
No, the deductible is not refundable.
Will my insurance rates increase?
Yes, rates may increase after accidents.
How much can rates increase?
It depends on the severity of the accident.
Should I avoid talking to the media?
Yes, it's better to stay quiet.
Can I get a police report copy?
Yes, you can request one from them.
Thank you for your helpful advice.
You're welcome. Stay safe on the road.